If you're planning to build a website and you're considering Bluehost, this is the perfect moment to get started. Because right now, you can grab Bluehost with a big discount using an exclusive Bluehost coupon code. In this video, I'll quickly explain why Bluehost is such a popular hosting provider and how you can get the lowest price available. I've placed the official Bluehost coupon link in the description and in the pinned comment. Once you click that link, the discount is applied automatically at checkout. Bluehost is one of the most trusted web hosting companies on the market and is officially recommended by WordPress. It's especially popular among beginners because everything is set up to work smoothly right from the start. Performance-wise, Bluehost offers solid speed and reliable uptime, which is exactly what you want if you're building a blog, business website, or online store. You also get features like a free domain for the first year, SSL security, and 24/7 customer support, which makes the whole process much easier if you're new to hosting. The control panel is clean and beginner-friendly, but it also gives you enough flexibility if you want to grow your site over time. Whether you're launching your first website or upgrading to something more professional, Bluehost gives you a stable, premium hosting environment. So, is Bluehost worth it? Yes, if you want reliable hosting, strong WordPress integration, and an easy setup process, Bluehost is a great choice. And once again, if you want to get the biggest Bluehost discount, the coupon link is waiting for you in the description and in the pinned comment. If this video helped you out, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching and see you later.